we were seeing all these empty streets like Florence and Rome and Venice were there were no tourists. Even some of the locals weren't even around. It was just surreal. To give you a sense of what life was like, this is the statue of David.
It looks pretty empty.
And those are my two daughters. They're the only two kids at the statue of David. That happens, once never. This is the Uffizi Museum in Florence, completely empty. We were at the Colosseum in Rome. This is myself and my two daughters, and we were the only people in the Colosseum. And this is the outside. That's my wife and our kids. This is our family. So on the edge of those streets, there's all these wonderful artisans, and their doors were shut. They're closed. And when they did open, I went inside and got to meet a lot of them and was just really inspired by their passion, the generation of knowledge that they have, the crafts that they produce. So I really just had a connection with them, and I just wanted to help tell their stories.
So you picked up a camera, and tell us what inspired you to do that.
As a documentary film producer or television producer, I wanted to figure out how can I help them, and I thought the best way is pick up my camera and go in there and film them and tell their stories. Made with Love really is a celebration of artisans, their connection to community, their passion, the traditions and cultures that they preserve, and how that unites and keeps those traditions alive in communities. That's really at the essence of what Made with Love is. It's about artisans first, and they're celebrating them. And then now we're on our 4th season now, 8 countries later, and now we started tours.
The Made with Love tours are giving us this kind of behind the scenes experience. It's turning the documentary into like a live experience, which I think is so cool.
Yeah, I mean, that's really what we wanted to do, is have our guests experience what we have as filmmakers, get exclusive access to places. When you're on your tour, you have a deeper connection with that region or that country, and that's our goal.